There's a great simplification because a lot of cybersecurity people don't need the technical knowledge to graduate or to get a job. I mean, the proliferation of CISSP, which is talk the talk, not walk the walk. And of course, if you bring this up in public, people are like, well, you don't need to be techie to be in cybersecurity. And it is a broad field. And yes, there is a place for policy and contracts and things. But again, you cannot write good policy, just like you can't make good laws if you don't understand how things work. So yes, you don't have to be technical, but you at least have to have the understanding of how these things work. And I don't care if it's how people work, how email works, how DNS works. You can't just go and make rules or laws without actually understanding what matters. And this is the biggest problem, this simplification, because then you end up with something like GDPR, which was a good thing. And now I'm stuck with having to approve cookies all the time on every website, which is extremely annoying, to say the least. And not only that, but it's led to a whole bunch of new phishing attacks because people are just used to clicking yes, just to move on. These things have long-term ramifications, and as you have each new generation moving forward into it, it affects them as well. They have a need for cyber safety, which again, simplification is required in order because they don't have to be technical experts, but they still need to be able to protect themselves without actually knowing how things work.